I remember that gloomy Friday afternoon. I was having lunch with my mom and my sister. When my sister picks up the phone, it was our father calling her. She takes a long pause, and I knew at that second that something was wrong. My sister drops the phone and announces to everyone in the house that Papa has COVID-19. And from the feeling of being worried about my dad, that feeling in just a span of few seconds graduated into feeling of anger, feeling of I told you so. I called up my dad and I told him, you should have been more protective of yourself. You should have been more paranoid of your surroundings. You should have done more. I was so mad at him. And then I started realizing, wait a minute, Jonathan, are you complaining? Are you ranting? And are you doing also something about it? And that was the clear line of sight when I started realizing this comparison between a thermometer and a thermostat. A thermometer, when temperature changes, does nothing. It will just report it to you, and that's it. A thermostat, on the other hand, does beyond that. It will tell you the change in the temperature, but it will adjust, take control of the situation, and go back to the equilibrium. And this reminds me, every time I experience setbacks or failures in life, do I choose to become a thermometer, or do I choose to become the thermostat? And I want to throw that same reflection to all of you. Obviously, I'm saying this in hindsight because my father has gotten well, but I think it's a good reminder for all of us. There's a difference between acknowledging the situation and doing nothing about it to make ourselves feel better versus responding to it and telling yourself, I can do better and I will be able to get out of this. But I have to act and I have to move fast. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you were able to serve you some dose of inspiration. If you'd like to invite us to train your employees or inspire them, whether it be about grit, motivation, or leadership, send us an email, jonathanyabut@jycbasia.com, or visit our website, jonathanyabut.com.